Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bitmex token. Now the Bitmex token just got listed on a central exchange, brand new listing. Ticker symbol is BMEX. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this video here. So Bitmex. So one of the world's leading cryptocurrency derivative exchanges, creator of the perpetual swap. So in a nutshell, that's what Bitmex is. If you check out their Twitter, they are verified on Twitter. They have 160,000 Twitter followers. Very well established project, very well established exchange. I wouldn't say, it's up there with Coinbase or anything like that by any means, but it is on its way. It's kind of a medium low exchange. It's not, I wouldn't say low, but it's around medium sized exchange. And it just got their token, the Bitmex token, just got a brand new listing today on Hotbit. So trading opened up today at 11 a.m. UTC time. You can find this token now listed on Hotbit, ticker symbol BMEX. Now, how you would get this token, if you don't have a Hotbit account and you're looking to get this token, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, how you would get this token is you just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol BMEX, and then you'd simply just buy the token. But the cool thing about Hotbit is they have a lot of investing strategies on Hotbit where you could stake your crypto, put it into farm pools, lockups, loans. There's all sorts of different ways to earn really high APY, which is like interest, annual percentage yield on your crypto when you buy tokens off of Hotbit. So definitely check out that Hotbit referral code down there if you don't have a Hotbit account. And yeah, so the BMEX token is an ERC20 token with a maximum supply of 450 million tokens. Minted at once and vested over a period of up to 5 years. The vast majority of Bitmex tokens will be spent to reward Bitmex users and grow the Bitmex ecosystem with new products and partners. So their Etherscan is available on Hotbit for viewing. And it says there's 6 decimal places on this token. And also they have their webpage on here, which is bitmex.com, pretty straightforward. They also have a Lightpaper that you could check out, listed on Hotbit. And it says Bitmex, the birthplace of crypto derivatives and the token for true believers. So it's 11-page white paper. If you want to check it out, it's not very huge. You can find it on hotbit.io, which is their webpage. So it says, crypto will conquer. We know this because the way we transact and interact has already fundamentally shifted. The world is moving from analog to digital, and crypto is the core of the evolution. We believe the pace of innovation and adoption will accelerate over the current decade, soon crossing over the $10 trillion value in crypto assets traded globally every day. The companies who understand this and marshal their resources accordingly will grow into a new powerhouse. We're building Bitmex to be the cornerstone of the crypto's economy's infrastructure, your gateway and identity in the crypto universe, offering the best systems and tools you need to access, manage, and grow your investments. This will make Bitmex one of the powerhouses in crypto. Bitmex is the token for the true believers in this new paradigm and the fuel we will use to grow the Bitmex ecosystem. It's your access key to privileges across the crypto universe. This second version of our Lightpaper continues to outline the vision, attributes, and benefits of the Bmex token. Thanks for taking a look. So that's the introduction there. So the utilities and benefits of the token. It says crypto investors demand convenience, performance, and the freedom to choose a platform that best suits their needs. We want to be the first choice and are pursuing an aggressive expansion strategy that will see us launch a range of new products and features to satisfy this demand. The Bmex token will be at the core of the Bitmex ecosystem, and Bmex holders can enjoy benefits such as trading fee discounts and preferential rates on our derivatives and Bitmex spot exchange, withdrawal fee reimbursement, early access to new products, participation in IEOs on Bitmex spot, increased staking rewards on Bitmex Earn, exclusive privileges and experiences such as early product access, swag, and tickets to sporting events, VIP service for large token holders, and as the Bitmex ecosystem grows, quarterly burning of the Bitmex token. So that's the utility for this token. So token allocation is on here as well. So it says 5% of the tokens go to airdrops and launch, 20% go to products and liquidity. We got 20% going to employee incentives, and 30% going to ecosystem growth, and 25% going to long-term reserve. And like I said before, total supply 450 million tokens. So they have a token assurance in 2 phases. So phase 1 completed in May 2022, trade and earn Bmex airdrops. And then phase 2 launching June 2022, trade Bmex on the Bitmex spot exchange. So that happened before in their roadmap. And on their paper, you can check out the radical ideas often have humbling beginnings. That's true of crypto and true of Bitmex. Bitmex was born out of the notion to bring analog financial services into a purely digital space. And they give a whole history on the token if you want to check that out. And then so they have what's next for Bitmex, and they talk about, you know, their brokerage and the spot trading and stuff like that. And, you know, the token utility and features like trading fee discounts, fee reimbursement on withdrawals, earn benefits. It goes over each one individually if you want to learn more specifically about each one. Then they have the vesting schedule you can check out on their white paper, and then they also have a legal disclaimer. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Hotbit one where you can get this token. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace!